Hi guys, it's Steve again. I just wanted to come out and do a quick little video on something that we came across here my wife has called Kirigami. I want to talk to you about it. It's 3 for 1 with Louis Vuitton, and we'll just going to give you my little intro and I'll be right back. Okay, welcome back. Like I said, I just want to throw out a little quick video. It'll only be a couple of minutes to talk about this little set from Louis Vuitton called Kirigami. And I'll kind of show you what it is right here. Okay, it is 1, 2, 3. 3 pouches. Louis Vuitton. It is a, right now it's available at $660, which is really a good deal for 3. I want to go over the sizes, what kind of fits in it, and we'll just go from there. Okay, so let's jump right in. I'm going to pan down so we'll get a little bit close up on it and get away from my face. Sorry, you're going to miss my face. We're going to talk about product today. It's all right. You'll get over it. All right, guys. Here we are. Kirigami. This is, like I showed you a minute ago. 1, 2, 3. Okay, we'll talk about them, go over the sizes, and it's actually a pretty good deal from Louis Vuitton. I mean, for $660, you get all 3 of these. Which, I mean, $660 is a lot of money, but when it comes to high-ends Louis Vuitton, that's not too bad for 3. Okay, each one you can use for something a little bit different. Let's start out with the small one. Okay, let's look. First of all, let's look at the size. So let's turn it over here. So it looks like it's about 3 3/4 inches by about 2 3/4 inches. So 3 3/4 by 2 3/4. Again, the gold tone snap in the front and open inside here. It has a nice maroon wine color, maybe it's more wine color. Louis Vuitton, Paris, made in France. Okay, sorry you got the man hands here showing you all this stuff. So the pretty long fingernails and whatever. Anyway, this is now I went and I picked out. This is about 12 business cards, and they'll fit in here pretty nicely. I put them in a minute ago. So if you want to use it as a card holder, you can do that. You can also use it, it takes about 9 to 10 credit cards. This credit card's a little thicker than that, and you can put those in there. Or what a lot of people can do is you can put a couple of credit cards in there. You can put your license in there. You can roll, fold some dollar bills. You can even put a key or 2 in there. And this, you can walk around with this as a little mini wallet. So if you need to throw it in your pants, I mean, a guy can do that. A girl can do that. A woman can do that. It doesn't matter. But it's kind of convenient. It's kind of nice because it can hold everything and snap in there. And, I've seen people put earbuds in here. You use an earbud holder. But again, it's not huge, but it's enough to almost, again, use it as a little mini wallet. So it's kind of nice. All right, and it's got the monogram canvas. Let's look at the next one. Here it is. This is the next one. Now this one has a red interior. Again, Louis Vuitton, Paris, made in France. Let's go ahead and take a look at the size. About 6 1/4. Turn it over. It's a little easier to do it this way. It's about 4 1/4. So about 4 1/4 by 6 1/4. Red interior. So again, a little bit bigger. This will fit inside, obviously, and it'll close. But I think a lot of women use this for makeup case. You can fit, here you can put here's a cell phone. This is a regular iPhone. That'll fit in there. The larger one will also fit in there because it's wider. So that'll fit in there as well. So it'll fit, again, a lot of makeup. These are for makeup case, cell phone. You can, the same thing I said with this, with money, with keys, with credit cards. So you can use this as a wallet as well, as opposed to some of the bigger, bulkier wallets that are out there. So that's a nice little case as well. Can use that. Now, third, this is more like a pouch or a clutch. A woman can use it as a clutch. So inside, this one's pink inside. Let's take a look at the size. 9 by about 6 1/4. 9 by 6 1/4. So 9 by 6 1/4. This one, again, a lot more room inside. So here, I'll show you. Here's an iPad mini, for example. I'm not sure if they make iPad minis anymore. But Fire or Amazon Fire, things like that. There you go. It fit in there just fine. Actually, it fit in there. There's another cell phone in there too. So all this stuff will fit inside. You can use it as a clutch. Yeah, it won't fit a very large stuffed wallet because it'll just take up too much room. But an average size wallet would probably fit in there. Sunglasses, again, cell phones, iPad minis, things like that. You can put makeup. So everything that you can put in these two, you can also put in here plus some more. And like I showed you a minute ago, these actually will fit inside. Though if you're putting these inside, you're not really accomplishing using this to carry anything. But so it's a nice size. The other thing about this is it'll kind of bulk out a little bit, if you can see here. So it'll carry something because it'll expand. It's a little bit expandable. So so it's a nice set. You get 3 of them for $660. You can't really beat that. There it is. And I just wanted to throw it out to you with a quick video. So I normally, at the end of my videos, do some other things. We're not going to do that today. I just wanted to kind of put this out for you guys. Anyway, so subscribe to my channel, please. Give me a thumbs up. So it's also the holiday season. I mean, if you like giving fairly expensive gifts, you can buy this and split them up and give 3 gifts out. You know, the person you like the least, the person you like the middle, the person you like the most. Well, not necessarily. I'm just kidding. But you could break them up and give some nice gifts. So anyway, we're going to pan back up to my face and we'll wrap this up. Thanks for stopping by my channel for this quick review. I normally go into a little more things with my videos. This was just, again, so it's quick. I want to show you something. It's kind of some neat little package by Louis Vuitton, and pretty reasonable for what you get. And good luck. And I know they are available. I was just online. It's out of stock at the moment, but I'm sure they'll come back in. And it also does come in an epi leather. It does come in another. I'll try to put the I'll put the picture up for you. It does come in an epi leather version besides the monogram. So take care, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.